Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to decarboxylate your cannabis to make topicals or to make edibles. It all should be decarboxylated. And what that is you've got to cook your weed on a certain temperature for so long to make it active for pain or whatever it's going to do. So you would take some weed here. I'm going to put some in my buster. I'm not going to bust it up real fine. I'm just going to kind of lightly bust it up. So when it's in the oven heating, it's getting through, the heat is getting through and decarboxylating everything that it's supposed to. So I'm going to bust it up a little bit. So my buster will be loud for just a minute because I'm not going to let it go long. This is actually a little food processor that I'm using. This is specifically for cannabis, this one. I have a whole bunch of different little busters for different things because some people don't want weed, so I wouldn't want to make capsules in a weed buster. So it's going to be loud for a second. Okay, so I'll show you. Now I like to use, this looks really dirty, but it's because I do my weed in it. I don't eat out of this. So see how it busted it up real nice? Not real fine, just nice. So you can see here. Let you look. See? Ooh la la. So you're gonna put that in there. That was about an ounce. It's really compact, like this stuff is compact because it's compact. So I've got it into this little casserole dish. I find they work fantastic. It's one of my favorite things to use. I used to wrap it in tin foil and do all these other things and worry about it because you don't want to mess that up, an ounce of weed in the oven. So I find just putting that on, bam, beautiful. So I got the oven on, can you see, 250? And I'm going to put it in and I'm going to let it go for 30 minutes. And I'm going to take it out, take off the top, let it cool down, and then it's going to be ready to use for edibles and salves or oils that I'm making. That's it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, hit like, share these videos if you could, that really helps me. And if you hit the bell, then you'll see new videos when they come up. You'll be notified. Thank you and have a great day.